Good morning to you. The birds aren't chirping. They're really not chirping, and it's not even morning. It is 4 o'clock and I'm just getting up and moving because it's Sunday and I'm lazy on Sundays. But I still had to make sure I got you guys a Vlogmas day 2 out. And I'm going to be doing some sewing for my trip. I'm going to Atlanta this weekend. So some of these items, I don't know, I think I'm going to wear them. I'm not sure. Either way, I still need to get it out regardless. So I have 2 outfits that I'm going to be making today. And they're both, one's a like a black mesh dress with some trim and stuff on it. The other one is a black jumpsuit with some white trim and embroidered logo, because I now have an embroidery machine, so I'm pretty much learning how to work my embroidery machine. So don't judge me, but I'll show you what I've done so far. So I think it's, I mean, the first time I did something on it, it was terrible, but I've done a couple things on it now, including, if you follow me on Instagram, I have like a gray mesh top with the lime green skirt. And Liam Lee is embroidered on the chest, so that's embroidered. So I did do that. It messed up a little bit, but it's not that bad. You couldn't really notice. Okay, so I have some sketches if y'all want to see what my idea of what it's gonna be. I can draw, I promise. These are just rough sketches. So these are just some ideas that I had with a couple minor changes. And this is the mesh dress. So I'm hoping it comes out something like that. Put a little bodysuit underneath that. I probably won't be wearing that. I'm not the mesh dress with a bodysuit type of person. But someone will. And this is all solid. So it's all solid with the lines. It's going to be the trimming. And then it has the embroidery, the logo, and then the name on the chest. So let's give this a go. And I have my fabric and stuff here. So this is everything I'll be using. That's the mesh dress over there, but the trim is gonna go with this outfit. Don't mind this. This is the a extra print for the hologram waistband that I used on that black hologram set that's on my website. So this is just extra. I'm gonna probably do something with this later. But I have black 4-way stretch spandex. This is from Joann's. If y'all could tell, I don't know if the, oh yeah, here's the name right here. If it'll focus. Excuse me. It just won't focus. I don't know. Either way, whatever. So it's 4-way black stretch spandex. And then I have a marking pencil, just so that I know exactly where I want to sew the trim down. I'll be pinning and sewing that down. I'll probably try it on first and draw while it's on me, and then make it a little bit better when I take it off and everything. So we'll sew the whole actual garment together first before doing the trim. And I might do the embroidery before I sew the actual garment together. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. Because right now I don't even have any Wi-Fi, so I need to work on my logo because I gotta fix it. But we'll see. Yeah. So I forgot that I was recording. Ooh. There's no light over here. But I already cut the sleeve out on my jumpsuit. If you guys can see my sleeve. There's a little light down here. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is, because I already have a jumpsuit video on my page, I do my jumpsuit fairly the same. It's not gonna be the overlay in the front. It's gonna be regular jumpsuit. So once I do the base of the jumpsuit, then I'll start showing you guys step by step on how I'm gonna put the trim on there. Cool. Okay, so I've deviated from my plan a little bit. I had some ideas for some belts. So I'm gonna, right now I'm embroidering on the belt. That's what's happening right now. So I'm working on that. I think my reasoning for deviating, I don't have a black zipper for the back of the jumpsuit. I started on a jumpsuit. I cut the whole jumpsuit out already, but I just need a zipper so that I could be able to get into it. And once I start something, I like to finish it. So, and in order to get everything, I need to be able to have that zipper on there so I can try the full thing on. So I'm about to run to Walmart and get a zipper. What is going on here? Yeah, so I'm about to go get a zipper for that. I think I need one for the dress too. hope this comes out the way I want it to. But yes, I'm about to run to Walmart real quick. Then I'm gonna finish all of that stuff tonight, cook some dinner. I'm gonna have some chicken wraps. And then I'm gonna get up for work in the morning. Over it. It's not as clean as I want this to be. I wonder why right here. I think it's because it's in the middle. It doesn't have any real stability, which is where the stabilizer comes in handy. But I tried to do a base stitch for it over a sturdier fabric, but I don't know, it's still not as clean, but it's not that bad either though. Yeah, so we'll see what it looks like in the end. Okay guys, so I've changed my mind again. Well, we're actually about to run out and go to Walmart and get my zipper. I need my zipper regardless. Might not need it now because we are going to go to Round One on a double date with Chris's friend. Round One is like a Dave and Buster's type place, like an arcade. They have a full bar, bowling, and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that for a little bit and then just come back. By the time I come back, I don't know if I'm probably gonna do any more sewing, but I usually, because Chris lives about an hour away from me, so I usually leave in the morning to go to work. So I might just finish all my stuff tomorrow when I get off work. But yeah, see you guys in a few. So this should be fun. First of all, their food is like really good. For like arcade food, it's super good. The wings, the pizza. So that's really what I'm excited about. So I mean, I want to play games too, but oh, I left the cards in the car. We get new cars though, right? You get a little bonus if you get a new car.
I don't know. Asking if it make a difference.
I don't think it does. And here's the bowling up here. And then we just passed the pool tables. This is where you get your credits and stuff for your card, and then the food. And then the arcade games. We are having drinks, waiting on Jeff. It has a blue moon. And I have Merlot. Glass of wine for Sunday. Our food! I'm excited! I'm hungry!
Can I get 2 of these, 3 of those, 5 of these, and you add 2 of these on the side?
Yeah, with a side of buffalo. I'm so hungry. These wings are so good. When Jeff comes, we're gonna make him pay for bowling. The end. He made us wait this long. We've been waiting for almost an hour, Jeff. Is that our pizza? Is that our pizza coming? Sorry. That looks like our pizza. Look at it, slowly coming to my mouth. Oh God. All right, now it's time to get shoes for bowling. Did these happen already? Oh, you just gotta push? I think this is my size. Oh, how dandy.
Watch. Oh wait. Hey, my nigga, I need a future for this one.
So I'm about to give it to them in the bowling. I'm about to win. We know I'll win. What else? Nothing. You know, simple. I'm just about to go in here and do my thing. Boy. Oh my God, who's Lieutenant Dan? Zooms into the face. Who's Lieutenant Dan?
It's actually
Was that a strike?
Look, you done dropped the phone and everything.
You broke it.
Look, you
broke it.
That means they count. You're putting the cheat code. Go ahead, get me while I'm winning.
You only won it for 2 seconds, Jeff. You broke the whole internet service. Oh no, it's everybody's is broke.
Nah, except theirs.
Yeah, but all the other ones did.
I don't want no curve, no homo. Man, you shacked the rules.
Somehow, Chris ended up winning. I don't know how, but he ended up winning. I would have came in second. They cheated me for 7 points. They didn't put my points on the board.
Second is only the first loser.
It don't matter. I'm the first at something. Alright, about to leave now. So we go back to the house. I gotta use the bathroom too. That wine messing with my bladder. Ooh, why I keep tripping? Okay, so we are back home, and I'm probably gonna finish this belt real quick, and that's about it. I'll finish the rest of my sewing tomorrow when I get home from work, and that's that. So thank you guys for watching my Vlogmas day number 2. Yeah, I hope you guys can keep up. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a good night.